Hello and welcome to another Circus Brighton tutorial. Hi, I'm Lily from Circus Brighton. In this tutorial we're going to be putting together the 3-beat weaving forwards and the 3-beat weaving backwards in a really cool little forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards move. So if you haven't learned the forwards and the backwards 3-beat weave yet, check out those tutorials. They should be up by now, hopefully. So do check them out and make sure you're nice and comfortable doing the forwards weave and the backwards weave, because we are not only going to be doing both moves, we're going to be putting them together, and we're also going to be changing the planes and the direction of where our poi are as to where our body is facing.
Pause now for the times to jump sections.
Start with, you're going to be face on. You're going to start your 3-beat weave just to get yourself nice and familiar with it. Make sure you can do it. Now what you'll want to do is you're going to want to do the same move but to the side. So my body is still facing forwards, but my arms are now facing the side and the poi is doing the weave sideways on.
Step number 1. Weave to the side of your body.
So that might take a little bit of practice to get started. If you want to try and just move the poi as you go to the side, you can do, or you can just face the side and then twist your body so that your body is still actually facing forwards, but you're still doing the move there. Get yourself nice and comfortable with this. It is a little bit awkward because this hand's having to go all the way around the back rather than just here. It's having to go all the way around there. So it is a bit awkward, and your arms and body will have to adjust to the new planes that your poi are spinning in. But practice it just to the side, and then the same with backwards. Doesn't matter which side you go to, but you can slowly just twist it, keeping your body straight. Twist the poi so that it's round to the side, and then get yourself nice and comfy there. The other way to do it, obviously, is the same way we did it that way. Face the side already, get yourself into the 3-beat weave, and then twist your body, keeping the poi where they are. Once you're comfy doing the move either side, we can try and put in the exchange that goes into the middle. Now you're going to want to have one leg in front of the other. Because I'm twisting to the left, I want to have my right foot in front and my left foot behind, because that means I'm able to twist a lot easier. If I want to move in that direction and my left leg is in front of my right, then I'm going to get stuck because my legs just won't untangle. So you want to set your feet up so that you can just turn your body really easily by just twisting your feet. So have a little check that you've got the right foot, the correct foot, in front of you in order to move the way you want to move a lot easier. You can just kind of run if you want to, but it's quite a quick move in the middle, so you're going to need to really get round fast. And the whole aim of the move is to be doing it straight on anyway. So just to get us started, we're going to do it actually facing sideways on to try and give you a bit more chance to get around. In forwards, forwards 3-beat weave. There's a specific time and where the poi are as to when you move and try and go into backwards. And that time is when the poi comes across to the side you want to get over.
Step number 2. When your right arm crosses over during the weave, it leads you into the body turn.
As it comes up, that is the time to start moving your body around into backwards. Now we'll break this down for you. Some people find that they can just do it by feel. So as the poi comes over, untangle and back. And what you're aiming to do is an extra, the 3 beats that you would normally do on this side, you're going to be doing it as you're turning and changing into the backwards.
Step number 3. Practice positioning your hands first.
You're doing the move, you finish the move over here, this one's coming back to start the 3-beat over this side. As it comes back, You're moving your body slowly, it's untangling. This one is now coming up and it's able to cross over to the other side, ready to do your backwards 3-beat weave. Now I'm showing you it from forwards to backwards to start with. You might find it easier going from backwards to forwards because I always find backwards is the harder move to do when you're first learning. So sometimes it's easier to get that one out the way first and then move into the forwards, of which you're more confident doing. So you're doing forwards, forwards. Just got to check my foot is in the right place. Yep, that one's there. Right foot forwards. I'm going to be going to the left, this way, and then I'm backwards. So this is forwards. My right foot is in front because I'm going to be turning to the left. So, as I finish this side, this one comes over, untangles, and then swoops up ready to take you into the backwards weave. Now, moving from backwards to forwards, you might find easier because you're moving from a trickier move to an easier move, and then you're able to work out the bit in between a lot easier because you don't have to worry too much about actually getting into the move. So from backwards into forwards, you'll do it facing you, go into your backwards weave, make sure you've got the correct foot in front of you. I'm going to be swooping up and going from my left hand side to my right, so I've got my left foot in front. Swooping up and into forwards. Now breaking that down for you, left foot in front, into backwards. What's going to happen without the poi spinning is that you're doing the move as your hand comes up. It finishes the 3-beat over on this one side. As it comes up and over, that's when you start to follow with this one. It comes in front of you, you untangle. As you're untangling, you're twisting your body to face the other direction. This one's coming up and it's going to cross to continue the forwards weave on the other side. So doing it facing you, you're doing your backwards 3-beat weave, backwards 3-beat weave. As this one comes up, this one's going to follow. You start to twist, you untangle your hands as you're moving your body to face the back. This one's coming up and over to continue. This one's going to follow as it comes back round, and then you're back into the forwards. All together now, all together now. Nicely doing your backwards 3-beat weave, nice and comfy. As that left hand comes up, bring it in front, and then straight across into your forwards. Going from forwards to backwards, this one comes up and over, bring it in front, untangle, and this one automatically swoops right under and gets you back into the backwards weave. Coming from backwards, as this one comes up, you're untangling in front of you, and then it's swooping straight back across your body into the forwards. From forwards, this one comes up and over, untangles, and back into backwards, up, untangles, and you're straight into forwards. You'll find the tricky bit is actually getting this one across your body, ready to continue into the move. What you'll find is you'll kind of get here and you'll still get even more tangled. Keep it nice and relaxed, so as that one comes up, you're just slightly untangling. This one is going to go straight over to the other side, so you need to move your body into forwards. From forwards, this one comes up and over, this one follows, you're untangling. As you're untangling, you're moving your body to get ready, because as this one comes up, it's going to go across into back. And the way you want to be working towards is by having your body facing forwards, being able to do the move here, and then as you're untangling, you're straightening up, and then it's ducking behind you as it goes into backwards. In backwards, it's to the side as it swoops up, in front of you, and then behind again. You can go either way, it just depends which way your body twists. So you can go all the way around if you want to and just do the untangling bit. You get a bit dizzy, but you can just do the untangling bit either side. I say untangling, all it is you're doing the 3-beat weave, but you're moving your body at the same time. Have a play with the move, Do try it shuffling, try it facing forwards, going from one side to the other. Try and do it so that you can go all the way around in a circle without getting dizzy. But have a go and play with the move and see what you come up with. Let me know in the comments below how you get on, what worked, what didn't, what you might need help with, and hopefully I can help you out. Also let me know if there are any moves that you've seen and you really want to learn, because we've got this course with Circus Brighton, but if there is a move that you really, really want to learn, let me know. Hopefully I can kind of throw it in there as well. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!